Here are 5 basic true or false questions about expenses. True or false, all business expenses are tax deductible. Answer: false. Not all business expenses are tax deductible. Only ordinary and necessary expenses directly related to running a business are typically deductible. Personal expenses and certain non-deductible expenses, such as fines and penalties, cannot be deducted. True or false, depreciation is considered a business expense. Answer: true. Depreciation is an accounting method used to allocate the cost of a tangible asset over its useful life. It is considered a business expense because it represents the wear and tear on the asset as it is used in the business. True or false, business travel expenses are only deductible if the travel is outside of the country. Answer: false. Business travel expenses are deductible regardless of whether the travel is within the country or international, as long as the travel is for business purposes. This includes expenses such as airfare, lodging, meals, and transportation. True or false, entertainment expenses for clients are fully deductible. Answer: false. Entertainment expenses for clients are not fully deductible. The IRS generally limits the deduction for business-related entertainment expenses to 50% of the cost, and certain entertainment expenses may not be deductible at all under specific rules. True or false, salaries and wages paid to employees are considered business expenses. Answer: true. Salaries and wages paid to employees are considered business expenses. These payments are necessary for the operation of the business and are deductible as long as they are reasonable and directly related to the business activities.
How many of the answers did you get right on our true or false quiz? Follow our page for more quiz videos and to sharpen your accounting skills.
If you need assistance with accounting and bookkeeping, contact us at 408-910-6003 or email us at sales@subledgerusa.com. Please visit our website to learn more about us.